Choose a CPA network. The first step in making money with CPA-free marketing is to select a reliable CPA network. Here's what you need to know. A. Research and reputation. Conduct thorough research on different CPA networks. Look for networks that have a solid reputation and positive reviews from publishers. Check forums and industry websites for feedback from other affiliates. B. Offer variety. Choose a CPA network that offers a wide range of CPA offers in your niche. Having a diverse selection allows you to find offers that are more aligned with your target audience's interests and preferences. Circa payouts and terms. Evaluate the payout rates and terms offered by the CPA network. Higher payouts can potentially lead to better earnings. Additionally, consider the payment frequency and the network's reliability in making timely payments. D. Support and resources. Consider the level of support and resources provided by the CPA network. Look for networks that offer dedicated account managers, marketing materials, tracking tools, and helpful resources to assist you in promoting the offers effectively. E. Network requirements. Some CPA networks have specific requirements for publishers, such as minimum traffic thresholds or experience level. Ensure that you meet the network's criteria before applying to join. F. Reputation and trustworthiness. Verify the credibility and trustworthiness of the CPA network. Look for networks that have been operating for a considerable time and have a strong track record in the industry. By selecting a reputable CPA network that offers relevant and profitable CPA offers, you increase your chances of success in your CPA marketing efforts. Remember to thoroughly research and assess different networks to find the best fit for your needs.